Pranayama refers to breathing exercises, which clears the physical and emotional obstacles in our body to free the breath and so the flow of prana, life's energy. Pranayama is the practice of breath regulation. It is a main component of yoga, an exercise for physical and mental well-being. How long should you do pranayama a day? Morning and evening time is ideal. You should practice for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Practice it at the same place and time. Prana is the yogic science of breath and energy's control. It consists of a series of themed breathing techniques intended to keep the body and mind in healthy harmony. Throughout history, healers have discovered the power of breathing to enhance physical, mental, and spiritual well-being. Pranayama, which will make the body and mind healthy. 5 types of prana are responsible for various pranic activities in the body. They are prana, apana, vayan, udana, and samana. Out of these, prana and apana are most important.